Welcome to Outdoor Ideal. 1. Product name: Glitzhome 19.5H Modern Storage Ottoman. Quality construction: Glitzhome Storage Ottoman is made of 70% plywood, 20% foam and 10% PU. Dimension: 15.5 D x 15.5 W x 19.5 H. The wooden frame provides strong support, can hold up to 220 pounds, sturdy and stable. The ottoman will stay fresh for long time use. Modern storage ottoman design: this modern ottoman is in line with modern and minimalist characteristics, features a black wooden base and premium faux leather upholstery, a circular wraparound design, simple yet stylish. It will catch the eye of any guest. Add a touch of luxury to your living space with this modern upholstered storage ottoman. Suitable for various sizes of decorative spaces. (2) Product name: 30-inch round storage ottoman, modern button circle storage coffee table. Fabric: versatile footrest. This tufted round ottoman provides a comfortable place to rest your feet or can be used as extra seating when needed. Elegant design: with its button tufted top and tapered wood legs, Ottoman coffee table adds a touch of sophistication to any living room decor. Durable construction, featuring a sturdy wood frame and high-density foam padding. Big round ottoman offers long-lasting support and comfort. (3) Product name: Modway Perla 26-inch round storage ottoman. Versatile home accessory: the Perla storage ottoman offers a stylish touch with its dual functionality as a footstool and a hidden storage table solution, perfect for organizing living spaces with a flair. Durable design: the Ottoman coffee table is constructed with a robust plywood frame, surrounded by dense foam padding and upholstered in woven heathered fabric and topped off with a sleek wood grain veneer lid for added functionality and visual appeal. (4) Product name: Asense 17-inch square storage ottoman small footrest stool for couch. High quality materials: this square ottoman with storage is crafted from faux leather upholstered design. This ottoman blends comfort with style effortlessly. Our storage ottoman has thickly padded and foam cushion, provides you with complete comfort and soft support when used as extra seating. Elaborate design: the design of the cube ottoman for bedroom allows for easy access to the storage compartment, which can keep your living space tidy and organized. The sturdy wooden legs of this ottoman provide stability and durability, ensuring that this bed bench can last for a long time. (5) Product name: 31.5 large round storage ottoman. Classic design: the round storage ottoman features a traditional button tufted design. It adds a touch of style and warmth, seamlessly fitting into any home decor. Ottoman is made of waterproof materials. It's easy to care for. Practical hidden storage galore. A round ottoman provides ample storage space. It is perfect for organizing miscellaneous items, books, toys, throw pillows, blankets, or small belongings. The ottoman with storage keeps your home neat while saving space.